Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a data analysis project with Tableau. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by defining the scope of your data analysis project. Identify the specific questions you want to answer with your data. Gather the necessary data from relevant sources. Make sure your data is clean and organized for analysis. Open Tableau on your computer. Select Connect to Data from the Start screen. Choose the appropriate data source type, such as Excel, text files, or databases. Locate and select the data file you wish to analyze. Once the data is loaded, review the data preview to ensure everything looks correct. Drag and drop the fields you want to analyze onto the rows and columns shelves. Use the Show Me panel to explore different types of visualizations. Select the best visualization type that represents your data effectively. Customize your visualization by adding filters, colors, or labels. Save your work regularly to avoid losing any progress. Create a dashboard by clicking on the New Dashboard option. Drag your visualizations to the dashboard space to arrange them as desired. Add interactivity using actions like filters or highlights for user engagement. Review your dashboard to ensure it conveys the intended insights clearly. Publish your dashboard to Tableau Public or your organization's Tableau server. Share your findings with stakeholders to gain insights and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.